Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure you have an administrator account and note your Windows 11 build. Once ready, open Settings with Win plus I or press Start and type Settings. This takes you straight to System Controls. Next, go to Personalization for context menus or open File Explorer and choose View Show options for file-specific items. These steps get you into the exact panels where Show More options changes live, so you can act precisely and quickly. You will now modify how the context menu expands. Open Registry Editor, Regedit, and navigate to HKey classes root \**shellx context menu handlers to locate entries that control the modern menu. Once located, back up the key export, and then disable or delete specific subkeys to force classic items into the expanded list. If you prefer less risk, use Group Policy or a vetted third-party utility to toggle the behavior. Either way, make sure to finish by restarting Windows Explorer or performing a full reboot so your context menu changes take effect. You should now see items without needing Show More options. If something breaks, restore the exported registry backup immediately and restart Explorer again. Make sure you ran Regedit as admin and that permissions on keys were not altered. If the system still misbehaves, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. With those steps, you return to a usable system and retain the desired menu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.